Hi friends, today we will show you how to unbox and set up the Square payment card reader. Let's open this. Okay, let's open this. This is the Square reader instructions. Let's see these. Wow, this looks very cool. This is the Square payment card reader. So with this card reader, you can do any contactless payments and even mobile payments, plus chip and pin payments can also be done through this device. And let's see what else is in the box. And this is the charging lead from here. And one good thing about this device is that you can accept all these cards, including your Visa, MasterCard, Amex, Apple Pay and Google Pay with this device, which is a very good feature. This card reader, so for every transaction that is done through the card reader or through the phone, whenever you receive a payment, you have to pay 1.75%, which is automatically deducted from the payment received to the Square company. And normally it takes like 2 to 3 days to get the payment in your account. And if you want the payment to be credited in your account the same day, you have to pay extra 1%. So 1.75%, you have to pay 1%. So total 2.75% if you want the credit in the same day. Otherwise, for every transaction, it's 1.75%. So with this instruction manual, it will tell you how to start this. So there will be indicator lights, which we will now show you how to set up. And there is a card slot, as you can see on the device, in which you can actually insert the card. And this is the charging port for the charger. The cable is right here that we just showed you. And the first step is to set the app on the phone. So let's set it up. So friends, this is the Square point of sale app that you have to download to get the card reader to work. Let's do that. Let's open the app. So friends, because we have already created the account, so we will now sign in. If you haven't created an account and if you have ordered the device through Amazon, because this device is also available on Amazon, you will have to create an account and fill in your details to be able to access the payment reader. But because we have already done that and we ordered the device through the Square website by paying £22, so we will now log in. After signing in, before the first use, the app will ask you whether you want to enable the microphone, the location services, the push notifications, Bluetooth, and local network access. Then you click start using Square. Because we had already created our login, so this app currently is linked to our business entity. So friends, you can use this device and the app to take payments, and you can take the payments through the phone also. That's a very good part of this. So as an example, if you want to charge your customers, say £2 for a transaction, so you enter the amount and you click on charge, and then it will ask you which way you want to accept the payment, and it can also tap on the iPhone and receive the payment, which is a very cool feature of this app. So in this case, for example, if your customer is having a card and they want to tap, so you just select tap to pay on iPhone, and the customer just holds the card here and the payment will be charged. This is a very cool feature. This was how you can accept the payment on phone. Now how to actually get the card payment accepted on the device. Let's just see how to do that. To activate the device, you have to first turn on your phone's Bluetooth, which I have already turned on. Then you have to go in the settings here on the app, go to hardware, go to Square Reader, and then click connect a reader. So to do that, you have to turn on the device, which if you see the button here, the round button here, you have to press and hold the button till the lights flash orange and you allow the phone to pair. Then the phone will actually give you a tutorial on how to charge and wake up your reader so you can charge if the battery is low. You can accept contactless payment. As you can see on the screen here, somebody taps and you can receive the payment. You can even insert a card with the chip. So this is the slot for inserting the card with the chip, as you can see on the screen, and accept the payments. And you can use all these payment methods, and then you click start accepting payments. Okay. So now this will start updating the reader. As you can see, it is already updating the reader to start accepting payments. Once this is complete, the payment processing can start immediately. We will show you as an example how to do that. The reader is updated now, and as you can see at the top of the screen, the tick against the reader and tap to pay means it is now ready to accept payment. So let's try to do a simple transaction as an example to see how it works of £1. Let's say to make the payment, you first have to enter the amount that you want to charge. So for example, we want to charge £1. Okay, so this is the amount. So you click on charge £1. Okay, and now because we are now paying it on the reader, you select the card and then you tap it. Can you see? This is how the payment is approved, and you can also get a receipt. In this case, we will just say no receipt, but you can actually send the receipt on email if you want. And the payment, as you can see, is now done. This is how you can make the payment. And if, for example, the tap is not working, you can actually insert the card from the chip side here, and then you can type in the code for the card in the machine, and then the payment will be accepted. So this is a very cool system, friends. And just one more point, that once you turn on the device and if it shows 4 green lights, that means the battery is 100% charged. If there is a 1 blinking red light, that means the battery is low, you need to charge immediately. So friends, this is how today we saw how to unbox and use the payment reader on the device itself and on the phone. I hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. If you have any questions on how to use this reader, please type in the comment section and we'll try to reply as early as possible and try to resolve if you have any queries. Hope you liked it. Thank you.